I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost decorations. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some white fabric like cheesecloth, an old white sheet, or even a plastic tablecloth. For the head, grab a round object such as a foam ball, a small balloon, or even a crumpled plastic bag. You'll also need a stiffening agent like liquid starch or a mixture of white glue and water, along with scissors, black felt or paper for faces, and some string for hanging your finished creations. Now let's build the ghost's form. Place your round head object on a stand, like a jar, bottle, or even an upside-down tomato cage for larger ghosts. Next, cut your white fabric into pieces. 2 layers often work best for a fuller look. Completely saturate the fabric in your liquid starch or diluted glue mixture, ensuring it's fully absorbed. Then, carefully drape the wet fabric over your form, smoothing the head and creating flowing, ghostly folds. After shaping, it's time for the drying process. Let your draped ghosts dry completely, which typically takes at least 12 hours or even overnight to ensure they hold their shape. Once fully dry, carefully remove the internal forms, leaving behind a hollow, freestanding ghost. Now for the fun part. Cut out 2 oval eyes and a mouth from black felt or construction paper. Securely attach these eerie facial features using craft glue or a hot glue gun. With your ghosts complete, it's time to display them. For hanging ghosts, attach a loop of fishing line or string to the top of the head. You can hang them from tree branches, porch ceilings, or in doorways. If you made standing ghosts, ensure their base is wide enough for stability. For an extra spooky touch, place small battery-operated tea lights or string lights inside your ghosts to give them an ethereal, glowing effect, perfect for evening ambience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.